there, welcome to my channel. My name is Hazel and the channel's called Hazel Hopes. If you're new here, I'm so glad you decided to click on this face. And to my other subscribers and viewers, I'm so glad you guys came back to watch a little bit more. I have an update for you on what happened with the Louis Vuitton quality issue of the bag that I had to reject basically in store. Keep on watching and I'll let you know what happened next. So for context, I pre-ordered a bag back in December 2025, paid in full upfront for this bag that's going to be released on the 2nd or 3rd of January 2026. There was a pen mark and there was 2 white blotches, tiny blotches, but when you put the bag up you can see it. I'll link that video down below because I don't want to repeat the whole thing here again. But basically they couldn't get the pen mark out and I was glad I was in store to see it. I would have to wait 8 weeks to get it in exchange. Now, interestingly, there was a lot of people who also had got the same colour that I ordered and they had white blotches, but even they weren't happy with it. They said that it was in a really weird place. It didn't look good, didn't look right. Other people's ones of the same colour didn't have those white blotches. So it was really weird. It was inconsistent and I just didn't understand what was going on. Why is it supposed to be this white blotches? It's a part of the design? Because it doesn't look like that on the website. So anyway, a sales associate left a message on my post saying, don't be surprised if you hear from Louis Vuitton in 1 week time. Basically saying they're probably going to cancel someone's order, but they're doing it to fulfill someone's order that went wrong, which in this case would be mine. I called my sales associate and he told me that he's got a bag in and do I want to still have it? And I was in Harrods the other day and I saw a small leather goods in the colour that I got and I loved it. I love the colour. I think it's beautiful. And I said to him, have you looked at this bag? Because he saw the problems that I saw. He said, yes, it's perfect. So I have it here today. I haven't opened it yet. I'm a little bit delaying the inevitable because you know, I was excited last time and it was a big fat fail. So yeah, I'm going to open it through unboxing here with you today. I'm going to go over it. I'm going to show it to you up close. Please God, there's no white blotches. Well, please God, there's no pen marks as well. My sales associate did actually apologise for what happened last time. He said that we should never have shown you a bag and it was in an unsellable condition. So that's good that they admitted that. So that basically he said it'll probably go into the staff auction for staff to buy in a few months' time. So it won't get sold to the public. So that's good. He also said to me, and about the white markings, he said something along the lines of they're deliberate because it's supposed to mimic what the material looked like back 130 years ago. Now, maybe that's the case, but I haven't heard anyone say that before. It's not mentioned on the website and it certainly isn't photographed on the website like that. There's no white blotches on any of their advertised pieces. So yeah, I'm a little bit like, okay, well, let's see what this bag looks like then. So let's get on and get this bag opened. I'm excited but nervous. Okay, so we have the box. I'm going to open it up here. Right, so it's all coming undone now. Oh my God, I hope this is okay. Do you know what colour I got? If you saw my last video, you know what colour I wanted to get. So let's see if it's okay. And it's not only the colour, oh, it's to make sure it's the blotches aren't there. Let's see. Pop that there. Open it up. Okay. We have the dust bag. Right. I'm going to open this. I'm going to actually open this and show you before I show myself. Right. So I'm going to close my eyes. Please say it's pink. Please say it's pink. Please say it's pink. Is it pink? Okay, please be okay, please. Yeah, I think it's okay. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, I could get excited now. Hang on. Oh, hang on. Oh my God, I love this colour. Look at this happy colour. Oh my God, you're so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay, yeah, so before there was a white blotch right there. There was a pen mark right there, a blue pen mark. I mean, this guy's gone over it with a magnifying glass for me because he knew how upset I was. Even though I was very respectful and I was very kind, I was very understanding, but give me a refund, please. You know. Let me just look over it very, very quickly because I need to like calm down a minute. Hold on. Okay, guys. So I've had a quick look over it and I think it's absolutely fine. So I'm really, really, really relieved because I don't see bags as an investment. However, I do not want to be buying a bag that has marks on it, pen marks, blotches of white which shouldn't be there, or like frayed edges, or things are misaligned. I've heard so many people recently being upset about things going wrong with luxury brands, and you know, and I know this bag is normally stored flat, so yeah, it's got a little bit of an indentation around there, which I don't think you can see, but it's fine. I'm gonna probably stuff it anyway. Oh, it's so pretty. That's such a, I mean, look, this bag takes over the whole screen. It's like, Hazel, move out the way. So there we go. I'm gonna do 360. So this is the front side of the bag. Up close, you can see the texture. We have it's a big luggage tag, bigger than usual. So has Louis Vuitton inscribed in gold lettering, which is lovely. Has the little slip there at the back. We have the bandolier side bit there. Metal D-ring there. We have the rear side there. And then the other end just so. So it is a weaved looking canvasy coated canvas material. The bottom is there, no feet, but that's absolutely fine. We didn't expect feet. It has 2 zips, 1 zip here and 1 zip there. So the zips are very smooth, thankfully. One there so I can see. The inside looks like so. It's got stripy inside. It has the leather tab inside there with the matching gold scripted handwriting saying Louis Vuitton with the pocket as well. What are you saying to me? Exterior is resignated cotton and linen fabric. Interior is cotton and linen fabric, and the trim is cowhide. The leather, to my knowledge, is pre-treated, so it's a slightly darker colour. I do think this bag comes across a little bit darker with the 2 colours, a bit darker, a bit of a caramel-y salmon colour. It's not like that in real life. It is a really, really pretty pink. It's a really pretty pink. Let me see. So this is my pink, shocking pink, and that's a little bit tamer than that. But would you call it like a bright raspberry, maybe? Reuben rose, I think that's what they're calling it. It also comes with the crossbody strap, which has 2 pieces. We'll just show you up close. So we've got the normal clicky thing there. I'll attach it for you actually so you can see. I always have it on the longest because I am, go on, say it. Hazel, you say it all the time. Every bloody video I say how tall I am. Well, if I'm talking about clothes or handbags, I need to have something to fit my frame, don't I? Right, so yes, that's the strap on. So I can do crossbody, I can do shoulder carry, or I can do top handle. Right, I might actually do a, oh, hang on, before I rush off. I have a little dust bag here, little diddy dust bag. And it has my padlock. So I have my keys for my padlock, so I'll put that somewhere. But yes, I am very, 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 very happy. I mean, I nearly got a refund for this. I do like that it's come with this. I think that's a nice little touch, because the other bandolier speedy bag that I do have, that's also 25, that doesn't come with a luggage tag. It just comes with the normal and this. So I do like this, actually. I do like that. Not everyone will, but I do. So happy. I mean, I was so, you know, it's a lot of money, you know. When I save up for something, or I sell something and then buy something else, I don't mean selling handbags, I just mean like when I lost some weight, or my whole colour palette changed, I literally sold 3/4 of my wardrobe, and then I reinvested it back into other things. Oh my god, look at that. It's so gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's a really nice pink. It's not even subtle, but it's a bit more than subtle, but a bit less than shocking. And it has got I don't know if you can see the dents there. I don't know if you can see them. I'm not worried. I'm not worried. I mean, compared to what I saw previously, this is nothing. Yeah, I'm going to try this on for you now and show you what it looks like. The pink spoke to me. It said, buy me, buy me. But no, it spoke to me like in my soul. It made me feel like I needed to have it. And then when I couldn't have it, and then I couldn't have it for 8 more weeks, I really felt like it's not for me, I'm not meant to get it. But then when I saw it again in the shop in Harrods, and it wasn't my bag, but it was a different shape of bag, I was just like, I love that pink. I just love that pink. What do you think of the photograph I just put up? Do you think it looks all right? Do you think it looks good? I mean, I like the crossbody hands-free feeling. That's me anyway. I love to be hands-free. But yeah, do let me know, be nice, in the comments below if you like it, or what you think of the whole escapade of what happened. This is my second bag from Louis Vuitton that I have bought new from store. I do love to find a lovely pre-loved number, but this would not be available right now, and I'm not paying over the odds for it. Any dents or nicks that happen to my bags, I don't care. I am the owner. It's my story, my bag. If I created a scratch or a scuff, I did it. It's part of its journey with me. So I'm all okay with that. But yeah, I'm really happy. So thank you guys for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.